You're only as good as your air handling. The fact that you can recover about that on the spot, and it gives you real-time verification of all the droplets to as little as 1 drop. It's amazing.
The B cleanup's pretty bad, not using the G.PURE.
I'm Matt Morrison. I'm the Director of Sales for North America at DISPENDIX.
Joseph Strakers. I'm the lead scientist.
My name is Jyotsna Gupta and I am a Senior FAS FSC for DISPENDIX.
I actually don't think I can do it.
Why am I here today?
Today we've gathered the sales team.
We're running fully automated NGS with the G.PURE and the I.DOT.
Today we are running the standardized and tested DISPENDIX EF twist kit.
The I.DOT's going to be dispensing all of the reagents involved in our case today, the twist EF kit.
I think it's a great solution. Again, you can use it standalone with touchscreen, but it's also highly integratable.
Why are you making salespeople get in the lab?
So, like I said, a lot of our sales team is former lab employees and automation engineers.
They need to be able to communicate to the customers some technical aspects of what NGS is and how we can support them in miniaturizing their workflow to give them an application solution.
Using the I.DOT, you can miniaturize up to 1/5 of a reaction volume.
A lot of people that in the genomics space can understand that these kits are really, really expensive. So we're able to miniaturize, 1/4, 1/5, and up to 1/10 in certain circumstances. So we can correlate that to a lot of savings for our customers.
And the systems will end up paying for themselves if the customer runs enough samples.
I've done a lot of NGS library prep manually in either a tube strip format or in a 96 well format, but never have I done it in a 384 format, so it should be exciting.
It's a nice refresher to use our technology to miniaturize library prep kits.
Do you believe in the sales reps today?
Yeah, the sales reps, I have full confidence.
I'm pretty much confident with our sales team who is really practicing more on the NGS library prep on this I.DOT liquid handler.
I'm super confident.
Are you confident in your team?
Very.
Very confident. I think we got this.
Great team here. Everyone brings something to the table.
I have quite a bit of experience myself running library prep protocols, in particular with the I.DOT and G.PURE, so I can provide lots of technical support to the sales team and also our customers.